You're a dirt bike enthusiast, aren't you? Your heart beats a little faster at the sound of that high-pitched rev, and you can almost feel the grip of dirt under your tires. But wait, something's holding you back. You're pondering an age-old question. Do they still make two-stroke dirt bikes today? Great news. Your search for that classic two-stroke riding experience is not in vain. So why do two-stroke dirt bikes have this almost mythical aura around them? First off, they're lightweight, making them agile and easily maneuverable. The power-to-weight ratio. It's like strapping a rocket to a feather. And let's not forget the sheer simplicity. You don't have to be a mechanical wizard to carry out basic repairs. All of this adds up to one thing: a seriously fun ride that taps into the essence of what off-road biking is all about. Imagine a time when cars were still a newfangled invention. That's when Carl Benz stepped onto the scene, inventing the first ever two-stroke engine on New Year's Eve of 1879. Fast forward to 1904, and another visionary, Alfred Angus Scott, adapted it into a workable engine for a dirt bike. Then, Scott Motorcycles rolled out the world's first two-stroke dirt bike in 1908. Sounds like stuff of legends, doesn't it? The 60s and 70s were kind of the Woodstock years for two-stroke dirt bikes. These machines became synonymous with freedom and adventure. But like all good things, this golden age faced its challenges, primarily from emissions regulations and the rise of the four-stroke giants. Yes, two-stroke engines took a hit when environmental concerns started changing the game. But guess what? They didn't throw in the towel. New tech solutions like direct injection and improved combustion efficiencies gave these old dogs some new tricks. It's like discovering your favorite band from high school has just dropped a new album, and it's a chart-topping hit. Bet you're itching to know who's keeping the two-stroke dream alive. The list is longer than you might think. Companies like Beta, GasGas, Cobra, Kawasaki, KTM, Husqvarna, Suzuki, Sherco, and TM are all in the game. They're like the Avengers of the two-stroke world, each bringing their own superpowers to the table. To answer your question, yes, two-stroke dirt bikes are still in production today. Major manufacturers like KTM, Husqvarna, and Beta continue to offer modern two-stroke new versions and models that have advanced significantly from their 60s and 70s predecessors. Although less common than four-strokes, the two-stroke dirt bikes remain a vital part of the motocross industry. Things to consider when buying a two-stroke dirt bike. New versus used. Are you going for that minty fresh new bike smell or a tried and tested warrior? Each has its pros and cons. Brand reputation. Trust is earned. Stick with brands that have a proven track record in quality and performance. Technological features. Don't skimp on the goodies. Look for bikes that offer the latest in two-stroke technology. Maintenance requirements. Two-strokes are generally easier to maintain, but each model will have its own set of needs. Make sure you're up for it. So, the burning question. Do they still make two-stroke dirt bikes today? Without a doubt, the answer is yes. Manufacturers are still rolling out brand new versions that benefit from significant technological advances. Although they've become less common, especially among major Japanese motocross manufacturers who have largely shifted to four-strokes, two-strokes are far from being obsolete. These bikes now offer an enhanced riding experience that makes them not just a nostalgic choice, but also a highly capable one. So, if you've been contemplating whether to get a two-stroke dirt bike, you can rest assured that the technology is advanced, and they aren't disappearing from the market anytime soon.